The gym flooring set, Interlocking EVA soft foam floor mat is an excellent solution for anyone looking to protect and enhance their workout space. With 18 pieces of puzzle rubber tiles plus edge pieces, this mat set has been designed to offer robust protection against scratches, knocks, dents, and even the chill of cold floors, making it a top contender in the world of home gym flooring. Crafted from high-quality, environmentally friendly EVA foam, these mats are not only non-toxic and BPA-free but also provide a firm yet cushioned surface that is both noise and impact dampening. Whether you're setting up a home gym, a children's play area, or simply protecting delicate hardwood floors from everyday wear and tear, this mat set is built to meet your individual needs. From the moment you unbox the set, it is clear that the design is both thoughtful and practical. The interlocking puzzle piece format allows for endless expandability, meaning you can easily customize the layout to perfectly fit your space. Each individual tile measures 12.6 inches square and is 0.40 inches thick, and when assembled, the entire set covers an area of approximately 18 square feet. This makes it ideal for smaller spaces or as a targeted protective layer under workout equipment and gym machines. Customers have found that the ease of installation is one of the strongest selling points. The tiles simply click together with minimal effort, so you can quickly transform any room into a safe, insulated area for exercise or play. One of the primary benefits of this gym flooring set is its durability. Constructed from highly compressed EVA foam, the tiles are built to withstand heavy use over time without showing signs of wear and tear. Users have noted that the material is resilient enough to absorb the impact of high-intensity workouts while remaining comfortable underfoot. In addition to providing a soft surface for activities like yoga, Pilates, or bodyweight exercises, the mat's anti-slip surface ensures stability during workouts, reducing the risk of injury from accidental slips. This is particularly valuable for home gym enthusiasts who might be using equipment such as treadmills, weights, or exercise machines where a secure footing is essential. Moreover, the mat's premium lightweight material not only makes it easy to install but also simplifies the cleaning process. A simple wipe down with soap and water is all that's needed to keep the surface looking fresh and new. This waterproof quality means that spills, sweat, and other fluids can be quickly managed, thereby extending the lifespan of the flooring. The material's noise-dampening properties are an added bonus, especially for those living in apartments or multi-story homes where loud noises could disturb neighbors. Many customers have appreciated how the mat helps insulate the floor, keeping it warm and comfortable even during colder months. Despite its many benefits, some users have raised minor concerns regarding the overall size and thickness of the tiles. While the 18-piece set provides an excellent starting point for floor protection, a few customers felt that additional pieces might be needed to cover larger areas, depending on their specific requirements. However, this potential limitation is easily mitigated by the interlocking design, which allows for seamless expansion as needed. The flexibility of the puzzle piece system means that you can always add more tiles to cover any extra space without the hassle of replacing the entire set. Another point of praise for this gym flooring set is its stylish appearance. While functionality is at the forefront, the mats also boast an attractive design that can complement a variety of interior decors. Whether you're creating a dedicated workout space, protecting the floors in your home office, or setting up a play area for kids, the neutral color and modern design ensure that the mats blend in effortlessly with your surroundings. The edge pieces provide a polished look, creating a finished appearance that adds a touch of sophistication to your setup. Customer support is another strong aspect of this product. With a promise of 24/7 assistance, the manufacturers have demonstrated a commitment to ensuring that users are completely satisfied with their purchase. This level of support is particularly important when investing in products intended for long-term use, and it offers peace of mind that any issues, no matter how minor, can be resolved promptly and efficiently. In summary, the gym flooring set, Interlocking EVA soft foam floor mat, is a versatile, durable, and highly effective solution for anyone in need of floor protection and improved comfort in a variety of settings. Its innovative interlocking design, robust construction, and ease of maintenance make it a standout choice for home gyms, offices, and play areas alike. At a current price of $34 and with an overall customer rating of 4.3 out of 5 stars from over 19,000 global ratings, it offers excellent value for money. Whether you're looking to safeguard your floors against the rigors of daily workouts or simply want to add a layer of comfort and insulation to your living space, this gym flooring set is a reliable, attractive, and practical investment. So, if you're ready to upgrade your space with a product that combines style, functionality, and affordability, check the video description box for an additional discount and subscribe for more motivational updates.